Greetings to you all from Calgary, Canada, especially sa ako ang amahan nga si Romeo Pang. Happy birthday. I'm thankful nga nakaabot ka sa moang 75 years of age, and with all the prayers and respect and all the longings nga mag-uban ta. I'm praying that for the next, probably sa next ni mga birthday, I could be with you, or my whole family could be with you. And thankful nga nakabot ka in that kind of age with full support coming from our brothers and sisters in Christ, especially sa also kay Manang Joy nga naa din na sa inyo ha. Salamat sa inyong pagampo sa moha. But prior to my case, Pang, I wish you all the best, the health, the sound body and sound mind that we always been praying for you, the success sa imuhang operation sa imong mata. We thank you kay you have already have a clearer vision. Makilala na nimo ang and makilala na jud nimo ang imong mga apo with the clear eyes. We don't know. And then pasalamat sab ko kay it's been probably 12 or 13 years nga wala gid ko naka-attend sa imong birthday, since I always been sa cruise ship, na ako sa Cayman, karon na nasad ko sa Calgary o sa Canada. But my prayers and my hopes and my wishes are always with you, including Mama. Sa inyohang golden years nga mag-uban mo, my prayers are always with you. And sa kuwang together with Ruby and Ethan and Iman and JB, we thank you kay ikaw ay ikaw ang nahimo namong ehemplo as me myself as a father, as a disciplinarian, as a loving father, as faithful, caring. We have always have a reason to say thank you kay maski magkadiunsa man gani ang amuang kinabuhi, you're always there to give us advice.